National Museum or the Pambansang Museo ng Pilipinas is the official repository establishment in October 29, 1901 as the Natural History and Ethnography Museum of the Philippines. The building was originally intended as a public library as proposed in Daniel Bernstein's plan for Manila, designed by Ralph Harrington Doan.
Angel by Guillermo Tolentino. The Spolarium of Juan Luna in 1884.
The El Asesinator del Gobernador Bustamante by Felix Hidalgo. This is the Gallery 1, where you can find St. Francis and St. Domingo.
National Museum. Filipino People Museum. Open Wednesday to Sunday. At 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Saan pa kayo? Dito na! Tara!
The Museum of the Filipino People is the second building of the National Museum. It's different from the Building 1 because this building is the old finance building located behind the National Art Gallery. Rizal Park is one of the tourist spots here in Manila because you can see here the big map of the Philippines. It's open 24/7 and it's free, so you can visit it anytime. So this is the map of the Philippines. We're here at Jose Rizal's National Monument. The Luneta Park, or known as Bagong Bayan, is the historical urban park located at the northern area of Ross Boulevard along the Manila Bay. Rizal Park is tributed to the Philippine national hero Jose P. Rizal.
Hi guys, now we're in Manila Zoo. Here's an example of an ancient elephant. His name is Mali and he's 40 years old right now.
Manila Zoo, Philippines has 832 animals and 100 species as year of 2007. It opened on July 25, 1959. It is the Wildlife Rescue Center, serves as a temporary shelter and a repository for confiscated, donated, retrieved, sick, injured, and abandoned wildlife species.
Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass.
using Powtoon.